If you have tried playing GTA Online on Linux, you're probably familiar with this message. I have made a GitHub repo with all the information available to play the game. All of the information here was made for Steam. If you use a different launcher, you might have to change a few things. So you need Bash and Python installed. You should have those probably if you don't install them. And then you can just run the script for either enhanced or legacy. Or if you don't trust them, you can also do it manually, which I outlined here, which is what I'm going to do in this video. And also you can take a look at the source code. So if you actually open the manual instructions, I have a section for enhanced and legacy. For this video, I'm just going to use the enhanced guide, but they're basically the same. So first of all, we open this file. Use your favorite editor for this. It should look something like this, and you just want to add this content to the end of it. Basically what this does is it just doesn't allow connecting to these domains, which is what GTA 5 uses for the anti-cheat. So then you're going to save this file. Then you can close this. For the next step, you're going to have to add this to the launch options. However, you're going to have to find the path of the Proton Battle Eye runtime. You can do this by opening Steam, right-click on the Proton Battle Eye runtime, and then click on Browse Local Files. And then just get the path from that using the pwd command. And you can copy this. Now, you can go back to Steam, click on GTA 5, Enhanced or Legacy, both the same, and go to Properties, and put that into the launch options, and then we're actually going to have to add this part right here, front, and this part in the back. I'm going to make the window a bit bigger. Also, don't forget to escape the spaces. Now this is done, we can close this window. At this point you can play online, but only in invite-only sessions. If you want to play in public sessions, you're going to have to add a new file to the game. Basically what this file does is it just tells the game to only put you into lobbies with people that also have this file. To create the file, open Steam again and go to the game files. Then open the x64 and data folder and create the new file in here. You're going to have to call it startup.meta. And then just open the file and paste this in here. Save the file and then you can close it. At this point, the game should work. Right now I'm in a public lobby, the game is running fine, I'm not being kicked. Now I'm playing alone, because there's not a lot of people on Linux. But if you see someone, don't worry about it, you're not being kicked, because they also did this entire process. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm also going to put a link to the GTAOnlineLinux Discord server in the description.